Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering on the Xbox controller and confirming firmware is current. This prevents lag and compatibility issues. Next, connect using Bluetooth or an OTG cable. Choose Bluetooth for wireless play, OTG for zero latency. Once paired, open the key mapping app and grant required permissions. This lets you map touch zones to controller inputs. Make sure Pubg Mobile is installed and closed before mapping so controls load correctly. If any permission prompts appear, accept them now to proceed smoothly. Once done connecting, launch Pubg Mobile and go into training mode so you can map without pressure. Use the mapping app, place virtual buttons over screen inputs and assign them to controller buttons. Prioritize movement, aim, fire, and lean. Then calibrate analog sticks by adjusting sensitivity and dead zones. Lower dead zones reduce drift, higher sensitivity speeds turns. Test recoil control and adjust until input feels natural. Make small incremental changes, because large jumps break muscle memory and hurt your accuracy. To finalize, play multiple short matches and refine layouts between sessions. You want consistent, repeatable control. If you notice input lag or drops, make sure no background apps compete for Bluetooth, move closer to the phone, or switch to an OTG wired connection. Rebooting both controller and phone often clears glitches. Save a backup mapping profile so you can restore settings after updates. If controls stop responding, reconnect. Reapply your mapping and verify Pubg allowed accessibility permissions. This fixes most.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.